This is gonna blow your mind. Meet the Nothing Phone 3A, the game changer in smartphone tech. This phone is turning heads with its sleek design and jaw-dropping features. Let's dive into what makes the Nothing Phone 3A a must-have. First up, the display. We're talking a 6.8-inch AMOLED screen with a 144 Hz refresh rate. That means vibrant colors, sharp visuals, and buttery smooth scrolling. Perfect for media lovers and gamers alike. Now, the camera. Prepare to be amazed. A groundbreaking 260MP primary camera that brings DSLR quality photos and videos right to your pocket. Plus, dual 32MP cameras for those perfect shots and a 50MP front camera for stunning selfies. Every snap, a masterpiece. Performance? Oh, it's got that covered. With 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, you'll blaze through apps and games without a hitch. Multitasking has never been smoother. Battery life that keeps up with you all day? Check. A 4,500 mAh battery paired with 140W ultra-fast, charging full charge in just 15 to 20 minutes. No more waiting around, and the design, it's like nothing you've seen before. The Ring camera, transparent back, and the Glyph interface make this phone a true standout. So, are you ready to upgrade? The Nothing Phone 3A, where innovation meets style. Don't miss out on the future of smartphones. Hit that like button if you're excited and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next one.